In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deploy Astro sites to Netlify. Before you begin, make sure your Astro project has already been pushed to a remote repository. Netlify connects directly to source control providers like GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, or Azure DevOps, so your project needs to live in one of those platforms first. If your code is only stored locally on your computer, Netlify won't be able to import it yet. This is an important starting point because your future updates can also be deployed automatically whenever you push changes. Once that's ready, head over to your Netlify dashboard and log into your account. This is where you'll manage your sites, deployments, and project settings. If you're already signed in, you should land on the main area where your projects are listed. From the dashboard, click the option to add a new project, then choose to import an existing project. And this tells Netlify that you want to connect a project from an external Git provider rather than starting from scratch. It's the standard workflow for deploying modern front-end frameworks like Astro. Next, choose the Git provider where your Astro repository is hosted. After that, authorize Netlify if prompted so it can access your repositories. Depending on your provider, you may need to approve permissions before continuing. Once access is granted, find and select the repository for your Astro project. Take a moment here to choose the correct repo, especially if you manage several projects, because this is the codebase Netlify will build and deploy. After selecting the repository, review the build settings. In many cases, Netlify automatically detects the correct configuration for Astro and fills these values in for you. This usually includes the build command and the publish directory. Even though Netlify handles this automatically most of the time, it's still a good idea to verify that everything looks right before moving forward. A quick review here can help avoid build issues later. When everything looks correct, click Deploy Site. Netlify will begin building your Astro application and then publish it to a live URL. The build process may take a little time, so just wait for it to finish. Once deployment is complete, Netlify will provide a public link where your site is available online. At that point, your Astro site is live on Netlify. One of the biggest advantages of this setup is that future changes to your connected repository can trigger fresh deployments, making updates simple and efficient. And that's how to deploy Astro sites to Netlify.